Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to guide you through transferring your photos and videos from your iPhone to a Windows laptop or desktop. This process is simpler than you might think, so let's jump right in. Before we start, please subscribe this channel and must like this video. Step 1. Connect your iPhone. Start by plugging your iPhone into your PC using a USB cable. Once connected, a message will appear on your phone asking for permission to access your photos and videos. Tap Allow. After that, enter your iPhone's passcode to confirm the connection. Step 2. Launch the Photos app on Windows Now on your computer. Click on the Start menu located at the bottom of your screen. Use the search bar to find the Photos app. It's a built-in application on Windows. Once you see it, open the app. Step 3. Select the Import option. In the Photos app, look to the top right corner and click the Import button. You'll see a list of devices connected to your computer. Find your iPhone on this list and select it. The app will display all the photos and videos stored on your iPhone. You can either select specific items or choose all of them at once. Let's say you want to transfer a couple of videos. Just click on them and then confirm your selection by pressing the Add Items button. Step 4. Choose where to save your files next. Pick a folder on your PC where you'd like to save these files. You can either create a new folder or use an existing one like iPhone Photos. Once you've made your choice, click Import to complete the transfer. Your files will now appear in the folder you selected. Optional: access iCloud photos on Windows. For those who use iCloud, you can skip the USB cable altogether. In the Photos app, click on iCloud Photos. If this is your first time, you'll need to download and install the iCloud for Windows app. Follow the setup instructions, and you'll have access to all your iCloud photos and videos directly on your PC. And there you have it. Transferring photos and videos from your iPhone to a Windows computer is quick and straightforward. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.